Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. Today we will continue the last part of unit classifying animals. For the last part, we will discuss the group of invertebrate. There are invertebrate with jointed legs and then invertebrate without jointed legs. Jointed leg, it's mean kaki yang bersendi. So it's mean the leg can be bent. Kakinya bisa ditekuk. Okay, now let's see what are the invertebrate, the examples of invertebrate with jointed leg. They are insects, and then spider, and also crabs. These are the examples of invertebrate without jointed legs. And then let's discuss one by one. How about insect? What are the characteristics of insect? You can see the picture here. The examples of insect, there are ants and then butterfly and then also beetle. The characteristic of insects, they have 6 legs. Jadi yang pertama, insect itu punya 6 kaki, and then they have a pair of feelers. They have a pair of feelers, punya sepasang antena. You can see the feelers of ant here clear. And then their body divide into 3 parts. So they have 3 parts. What are they, teacher? The first head, jadi kepala, bagian tubuh yang pertama, and then thorax, dada, and then also abdomen. So they have 3 body parts: thorax, head, and abdomen. And then how about spider? These are the characteristic of spider. They have 8 legs. You can count here the legs of spider. There are 8, and then the body divided into 2 parts, the head and the body. This is the characteristic of spider, invertebrate with jointed leg. And then you can also see here the characteristic of crabs. Crabs, they have 10 legs, and then they live mainly in water. Okay, you can see this is the legs of crab. There are 10. Okay, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the crab have 10 legs. Where is the joint, teacher? Mana jointnya, sendinya? This is when it can be bent, it's mean it is jointed leg. Jadi ketika bisa ditekuk di situ berarti kakinya bersendi. So this is joints of the legs. And then the next group, invertebrate without jointed leg. Jadi invertebrate yang tidak punya kaki bersendi. The examples of invertebrate without jointed legs are jellyfish, ubur-ubur, and then corals, karang, starfish, bintang laut, snail, siput, and then the last worm. These are some examples of invertebrate without jointed leg. Now let's see the characteristic of some invertebrate without jointed leg. The first here, jellyfish and coral. They have a mouth surrounded by tentacles. So for jellyfish and coral, you can see the picture. They have a mouth. Mereka punya mulut yang surrounded, yang dikelilingi oleh tentacles. You can see this. This is jellyfish, and then you can see the mouth here, yeah. And then this is the tentacles. This is the tentacle. This is the mouth, and then you can see too. This is coral, but it is not clear. So when you zoom it, the size, this is, you can see the tentacles and then the mouth. Jadi mouthnya ada di tengah, and then surrounded by tentacles. This is for coral. So the characteristic of jellyfish and coral, they have a mouth surrounded by tentacles. And then how about starfish? They have spine-like structure. Jadi mereka punya struktur seperti duri. You can see here the spine-like structure of starfish. Jadi from this picture, okay, it is clear enough to see the spine-like structure. Jadi kelihatan itu ada struktur bentuk seperti duri ya, of starfish. And then the next, okay, we can see this is snail and earthworm ya. Snail and the earthworm. Jadi ada siput dan cacing tanah. What are the characteristics? Snail, they have soft body and a shell. You can see the shell of snail, jadi cangkang, and the body is soft. And then how about the earthworm? The earthworm, they have sense organ to feel their environment. Jadi cacing tanah itu punya perasa ya, indera perasa to feel their environment. Dia punya kemampuan merasakan lingkungannya. So these are the examples of invertebrate without jointed leg and also the characteristic. Thank you, my student. We have finished with the classifying of animals. Now you can do your task in your book. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.